Hey guys, back with another studio update. This time the progress is not huge, but it's there. First, I noticed that I had a couple of spots with mold, so we fixed that. There is a ton of rock wool. This is going to be used to acoustically isolate the room from the exterior. We are talking about a huge amount of rock wool. One thing that changed from the previous video, you can see that the front corner has a smaller window now because I've decided to close a half of the window. I want to build a bass trap in that corner. Half of the window closed, there is plenty of room to build proper acoustic bass traps. Now when it comes to the walls, we added the frame, and here is where the rock wool will be placed, glued on the actual wall. You can see the process here. We are using some pretty strong glue to glue the rock wool to the wall. After the glue is applied, we just add a sheet of rock wool. The glue, since it's super strong, will hold that in place. We're gonna have the rock wool air in between the frame, then over the frame we will go with a heavy membrane plus the acoustic drywall. We have 3 different studios in this location, so there's a ton of work, but things are progressing really good and I'm happy with the progress. You can see here another room that we have. This is bigger than mine. We have the same framing, we have the same rock wool on the wall. Identical treatment when it comes to soundproofing.
Spuneți, domnul George.
Here's the acoustic drywall. They are extremely heavy and you can see we need a ton because we are going to use 2 layers. This is the room. You can see a better picture of the front wall where I've closed half of the window. The doors have been removed. We will add new doors that are better when it comes to isolating noise. It's crazy how much drywall is going to take to treat the rooms. The walls are done in my room. The rock wool is glued to the walls. Now it's time for the ceilings. The ceilings will be treated with a much thicker rock wool, and you can see from this video that we have rods coming from the ceiling where we are going to attach the acoustic drywall. Again, there's going to be an air gap between the rock wool and the acoustic drywall that will provide a better isolation. Here you can see the acoustic membrane. This is some heavy duty stuff. I think one roll of that membrane is 40 kilos or something like that. It's crazy. But that will add tons of mass, and mass is important when you are trying to acoustically soundproof a studio. The studio will be up and running sometimes in January, and I'm really excited about it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see the journey, if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for the support, and since this is going to be the last video of the year, probably, I wish you a happy new year, happy holidays, take care of yourself, and see you guys really soon. Cheers.